Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nazma Shaik and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about CBSE Class 10 Science sample paper for the year 2020. In fact, CBSE board has started conducting annual examination from the year 2019. And this year, there are some changes it has brought in its paper pattern. So in this video, I'll be discussing the changes and I'll also be showing you and explaining you the sample paper which is published by CBSE board on its website. Let's get started without any more delay. There you go. CBSE now is conducting science examination which contains 3 sections, of which first one is called section A, second one is section B and third one is section C. So in section A, you will be having all 1 mark questions. Those 1 mark questions could be multiple choice questions or very short answer questions or maybe assertion reason questions. And sometimes these questions also could be comprehensive question, like they'll give you a paragraph and they'll ask you some 2-3 questions from that paragraph and each question carries 1 mark. So section A is all about 1 markers and also they have to be answered either in 1 word or maybe in 1 sentence, not more than that. So now let's move to section B. In section B, you will be having questions which are of 3 marks. So each question carries 3 marks here. And these are called as short answer type questions or essay type questions. So now these short answer type questions need to be answered in 50 to 60 words, and also each section will be having internal choice. Like among short answer questions, you will be having internal choice and you can pick up amongst them. And now let's move to section C, the third and last section. So in this third and last section C, you will be having 5 markers which are also called as long answer type questions. So these 5 markers or long answer type questions need to contain 80 to 90 words, and of course you will be having some internal choice among these questions as well. So now totally in the entire question paper, you will be having 30 questions along with internal choice. So you have all 30 questions and you have to answer adequate number of questions as per the instructions given. Let's move to second slide to understand what is the weightage of science paper. As in, you all know, right? Science is a combination of physics, chemistry and biology. So this is the breakage with respect to marks among all those 3 sub branches. For example, if you observe chemical substances, nature and behavior, this constitutes chemistry. Chemistry in your science paper carries 25 marks. And now the world of living carries 23 marks and natural phenomena carries 12 marks. Effects of current and natural resources carry 13 and 7 marks respectively. And here the total marks that you are writing your theory exam for is 80. And rest 20 marks are of internal assessment, as in these 20 marks are given by your school teachers for your performance in assignments, internal examinations like unit test or maybe the project works that they have given. So along with preparing very well for your theory exam, it is equally important that you behave and you appear very well in your school examinations as well, so that you don't lose on these 20 marks which are in your school teacher's hands. So including this 80 and 20, you will be having 100 marks in your hand, right? And now also let us take a look at the CBSE sample paper now to have the things understood better. So as said before, this is a sample paper that I have picked up from CBSE website, and the instructions that I have explained to you till now are here at the top of the page. Now let's take a look at section A. This paper is a cumulative of all physics, chemistry and bio questions. Observe the questions in section A. The first one is define catenation. This is a chemistry question and it's 1 marker. Second one, how does valency of an element change across the period? 1 marker. And look at the third question. They have given you a paragraph and they are expecting you to read the paragraph and answer these 4 questions which are relevant to the given paragraph. So 3A, B, C and D. Each part is carrying 1 mark, correct? And now observe 4th question. In 4th question, they have given some data. They are asking you questions about the same data. So you have to go through the data, analyze it and answer the questions. 4A, B, C and D, each carrying 1 mark. and followed by question number 5. 5 is an MCQ and they have given choice. Do you see this? The choice is between either this question or this question. The choice is internal for 5th question alone. Fine, you can choose to answer one among them. And the next one is 6th question, an MCQ. This is a physics question about electricity, followed by 7th question MCQ, 8th question MCQ, and look here, they have given an internal choice for 8th question. So you can choose to answer this or this as 8th question. You're getting my point, right? The internal choice is is only applied for 8th question here. And now let's move on. It is 9th question. The 9th question is an MCQ followed by 10th question, 11th question. Fine. And observe question number 12. Question number 12 also is a 1 marker. It looks big though, but it's a very simple one. It's 1 marker and it has an internal choice. You can choose to answer between the first question or the second one given. And the later part here, observe this. You have a paragraph or some data given. So this paragraph concerns to assertion reason. Assertion reason questions are nothing but assertion is one sentence and reason is the reason or explanation for the assertion. And there are 4 options. You have to choose the relevant one. And same continues. 14th question is also assertion reason observed. Now let's go and see what's there in section B. In section B, you will be having 3 markers as discussed before. And there will be internal choice wherever needed. Do you see this? There is a choice between 16th question. And very similarly, there's a choice in 18th question. So you will not have a choice for all the questions. You have it only at certain areas. So this shows that you have to be very careful when you're preparing for board examinations this year. Before this, like in 2019, the paper pattern was not like this. It was pretty easy to tackle. But then 2020 paper, you have to be extra cautious, guys. So now question 19, 20, 21, there's no choice if you see here. Correct? Only in 24 you get to see a choice again. Now let's take a look at section C. In section C, you have a choice for 25th question, which is a chemistry question tentatively. Yes, it's a chemistry question. And question number 26, there's no choice. 27 is a bio question, there's no choice. And you have a choice in 28th question, correct? And you don't have a choice for 29, but there is a choice for 30. So this means that, see, you have to answer all the questions. Now what shall we do is, let's go back to the instructions once. Observe what are they saying. They are saying that, oh, I need to scroll up so that you get to see the instructions as well. Here. So they are saying that internal choice is given in each section, but then all the questions are compulsory. You should be answering all 30 questions given. But then in some cases there is internal choice mentioned. There only you have choice to choose between the questions, but otherwise you have to attempt all the questions, right guys? So now this paper is for 80 marks. As said before, you will be having 20 marks in the hands of your school teachers. So it's important that you behave properly in the entire academic year with your teachers. You complete your homeworks, assignments and assessments on time, and also perform well in your internal assessments like unit test, half yearly, quarterly and pre-board examinations. Finish the project works very well on time. Right? All of that contributes to that 20 marks. So now this 80 marks paper is for 3 hours. You have 3 hours in your hand, which is not so much of time. Like, you would have to also practice on time management to be able to cover these 80 marks in 3 hours of time, right? So I hope this video helps you to understand the sample paper of 2019-20 science question paper. If you have any doubts or questions that you want me to clarify, you can please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, all the best guys. Do very well, prepare very well. This year paper pattern is a bit complicated. Done? I'll see you on one other video. Until then, keep preparing well. Good luck everyone. Bye.